Okay, so this is a website I've been using for more than three years, starting from first grade. It's a very improving website, and the name of this website is Tynker. Right now, I'll be showing you how to use a tutorial section of this, and this video is mainly for beginners. And it's really actually this is actually one of the most best websites to use coding for. I mean, it is great. Like, I've been using this for a very long time, and I've created many things. Like, I've created games, I've created this thing, I've created many more versions too. So, it's really helpful for kids. So, any kids who's watching this should do this website. I mean, code on this website. Like, if you want to learn coding, you should. I tell you, you should use this website. Okay, so let's on the other hand, so the tutorial sections is in the project, but there's also other things like my classes, community, battles, and sign out, and other things. So I'm gonna go to projects, and it'll bring me here. So these are my projects I've already done. So then you press templates to, like, there'll be already some projects here. So since this is a beginner video, I'll press the beginner project. But there's also Python, JavaScript, and HTML and CSS. I'll show you. Like Python, there's like it's advanced. Then there's like 2-level advanced. Then there's like really hard. It's really advanced. Like when you're like in college, you learn like JavaScript. It's like typing, not code blocks. So basically, I'm going to do block coding, like with blocks and putting it together to do motions. So I clicked on the beginner projects. It's beginners. It's for beginners, and this is a beginner video. So there's beginner projects here, and there's intermediates. Right now, I'm going to do the beginner projects because yes. And so we can do cow joke, space cowboy, and spooky sounds. Let's do cats and dogs. Okay, so this is the tutorial. And then this is main screen it goes to. So it's a step-by-step tutorial that it'll tell you what to do and stuff. So you have to like read these things, and then you have to press next. Since there's nothing to do, you press next. So since I was making this video, I already put it there, so we can move on and show you. So we have to read this and then move this. I've already put it, since I've done it, I've already put it there. So basically, you have to bring it out of there, and you can put it there. Okay, so now let's move on to the next one. Then it's the same thing. We have to bring this, but since I've already brought it, it's right here. So now we press next. So we have to read these instructions. We can pick a random one. We can change them if we want, or like increase it if you want. So now I'm done with the tutorial. So now let's see how it works. So basically, when you press it, it shoots out. So you see the cannon is pointing different ways. If you hold the left button on your computer, and then you can move it with the pointer. So, and then after 10 seconds, it'll disappear. As you see, they're disappearing after it's been 10 seconds. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you learned some things. There'll be more videos, and this is just my first video. So don't think that I won't make any more. So if you want to watch more of my videos, click the bell button, and all of mine will come up. Also press the subscribe button, and if you want to learn more, and I hope you put down the like button. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you later. Bye.